How to remove a blackhead on your nose, simple steps. Blackheads on the nose are a common skincare issue, but with the right technique, you can remove them safely and effectively. In this video, we'll show you how to clear those stubborn blackheads from your nose in just a few simple steps. Before we begin, make sure you have the essentials: a gentle cleanser, a bowl for steaming, a blackhead extractor tool, toner, and a light moisturizer. Step 1. Cleanse your skin. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove surface oil, dirt, and makeup from your skin. Pay extra attention to your nose, where blackheads are most common. Step 2. Steam your face to open up the pores. Steaming for 5 to 10 minutes will loosen the blackheads on your nose, making them easier to extract. Step 3. Use a blackhead extractor tool. Gently press the loop around the blackhead and apply light pressure. If the blackhead doesn't come out easily, don't force it. Being gentle is key to avoid damaging the skin. Step 4. Apply a toner to the nose area. After extraction, a toner helps close the pores and soothe the skin. Choose a toner that's alcohol-free to avoid irritation. Step 5. Moisturize your skin. After cleansing and toning, apply a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. And just like that, you've successfully removed the blackheads from your nose. Keeping your skin clean and well hydrated will help prevent future blackheads and keep your complexion clear. Remember, regular care is important to keep blackheads at bay. Follow these steps once or twice a week, and your skin will thank you. Like and subscribe for more skincare tips and routines.